Alright Parishay, are you ready for the next project?
Yes, Bobby.
Alright, for our next project, we are going to make an ice cone out of Pom Poms. So the stuff that we require for this project, an ice cone cutout, and your favorite colors. You can take crayons or pastels or acrylic paints, it's your choice. And the most important thing is lots of colorful woolen balls or pom poms. So Parishay, are you ready? Let's do a quick fun challenge. Let's learn the colors by sorting out all these balls. Alright, can you take out all the yellow balls from the basket?
Okay, this is the color yellow.
Great job. Now let's take out all the red balls from the bare basket. Great job, Parishay. Now, can you take out all the green pom-poms from the bare basket?
Yes. It's done. It's the color green.
So far, we have separated green, red, and yellow color balls from the multicolored balls inside the bare basket. Alright Parishay, now can you take out all the orange balls from the basket? Good job.
Here is the color orange.
Well done. Now, sort out all the pink balls.
Here's the color pink.
Well done, Parishay. This is the color pink. Now, can you take out all the blue balls?
Here's the color blue.
Great job. Now, can you take out all the purple balls?
All done.
Wow, this is the color
Purple,
purple. So we have sorted out green,
blue, purple, pink, orange, yellow, green, red. So many colors.
yay! Now, are you ready for the ice cone project?
Yes.
Let's begin. Alright, the first step is that we will glue this ice cone on our sketchbook. Put lots of glue on the back of this ice cone, Parishay.
Done.
Alright, the ice cone is glued onto the sketchbook. Moving on to the next step, Parishay, we will color the cone of the ice cone with your favorite color.
Pink.
Pink? Alright, Parishay, start coloring. Alright, Parishay, you did a great job. Now let's fill the ice cream with Pom Poms. Are you ready? Hand me over your favorite colored Pom Poms and I will glue them on the top of the ice cream using a glue gun. Alright, give me your favorite colors. Blue. Alright, we'll put a tiny dot of blue and stick it on the ice cone. Next color.
Wow!
Hey, Parishay, do you want to try it?
Yes.
Alright, hold this gun. Take a pom pom. Put a drop of glue on it and stick it on the cone.
Okay.
Careful, it's hot. Good girl. Excellent. Very nice.
Am I doing a great job?
You're doing a wonderful job, Parishay. And I can't believe that this is your first time with a glue gun.
Now we will use the pipe
Cleaners.
and put them in the phone.
Alright, we will put some glue around the edges of this cone. Now we will put pipe cleaners onto the edges carefully. Can you try the next one, Parishay? Great job. Don't worry about the glue. Alright, so we are done with the edges of the cone. Now let's put in the middle.